Okay, in this video I want to find the value of cosine 17 pi over 12. We need to use an appropriate compound angle formula to determine an exact value for this one. So here we have cosine 17 pi over 12. I can say it is equal to cosine pi plus 5 pi over 12, which will be equal to, because it's in quadrant 3, cosine in this quadrant is negative, so it's going to be equal to negative cosine 5 pi over 12. So it's better to find this value first and then multiply by negative 1. So cosine 5 pi over 12 will be equal to cosine 2 pi over 12 plus cosine 3 pi over 12. So it's going to be cosine pi over 6 plus pi over 4. So it's going to be cosine pi over 6 times cosine pi over 4 minus sine pi over 6 times sine pi over 4. So cosine pi over 6 is root 3 divided by 2. Cosine pi over 4 is root 2 divided by 2. Sine pi over 6 is 1 over 2. Sine pi over 4 is root 2 divided by 2. So root 6 divided by 4 minus root 2 divided by 4. So it's going to be root 6 minus root 2 divided by 4. Now we said we need to multiply by negative 1. So it's going to be negative root 6 minus root 2 divided by 4. Or we can say root 2 minus root 6 is going to be divided by 4. That's going to be the final answer.